Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to add the YouTube logo to your TikTok profile. In this process you're actually linking your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. This will make it easier for your TikTok followers to visit your YouTube channel. So let's open up your TikTok app, tap on Me, which is at the bottom right, and that is your profile tab. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Now scroll down and find YouTube. Tap on Add YouTube to your profile. It'll then ask you to sign into your YouTube account, or in some cases it'll recognize your Google account through your phone. Your Google account will then let you know TikTok is trying to view your YouTube account. Press Allow. The screen will return back to the profile page and you'll notice in the YouTube field your channel name. Now return back to your profile main page and you'll see the YouTube icon. And there you go guys, that is how to add the YouTube logo to your TikTok profile. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.